Hello! Welcome to another Trotec featured application. Today we will be making a restaurant sign out of TroGlass Satin blue acrylic. You can purchase this and other Trotec materials at the QR code or the link below. This material has already been cut, so let's start engraving. We are processing this application on a Speedy 360 80-watt laser. Trotec offers several acrylic product lines in a wide variety of colors and transparencies. They are available in full, half, and quarter sheet sizes. There are two different types of acrylic, extruded and cast. All of the Trotec acrylics are cast. This is because cast acrylics produce a white frosted effect when engraved, making great contrast between the material and the engraving. The TroGlass Satins pop even more when you add a backlight or an underlight. And there you are! A simple and beautiful restaurant sign engraved on TroGlass Satin. Thank you so much for watching! Be sure to like and subscribe and leave any questions in the comments section below. See you next time!